Good morning, skiers and riders. It's Michaela, and I'm back with your Thursday, December 19th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. Looks like we're gonna have a happy sunny day here at the mountain, but be prepared, because even though the sun is out, it's gonna be a chilly day. So make sure you pack an extra layer, and don't forget your face mask and goggles. And if you forget one, you can pop inside our mountainside ski and ride to pick up any gear that you need. 17 trails and 5 lifts will be up and running for your enjoyment. With an added 6 inches of new snow, we now have 51 to 61 inches of base steps, with low temps today ranging from 6 to 14 degrees, with good winds coming from the west. There's also 5 new features built on Hitchcock as a start to our full park build. Also, park passes are now on sale, only $5 for the whole season. Today we have snowmaking going on mountain-wide. Our guys have already pumped out over 75 million gallons of water to produce the most amazing trail coverage and conditions possible. There's a lot of snow out here. We also have some really great events coming up this weekend that the whole family will enjoy. Come give a toast to the first day of winter on Saturday the 21st at our shortest day of the year celebration, as well as our Polar Express celebration, which includes a movie, arts and crafts, and treats. Then, on Sunday the 22nd, Santa Claus is coming to town. Bring your little ones to get a photo and tell them what's on their wish list this holiday season. Grab your gear and come hit the slopes and enjoy this classic winter feel of skiing and riding. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to these tape reports, or check us out at Wachusett.com for all the latest. And I will ski you on the slopes.